Next is tree view. Tree view show the hierarchical view of any data and any icon. Click here and edit node. Add root. We can do this by node collection. And now add root. This is the name property. Change it. And this is the text property that we saw on the desktop. Add child to add the new nodes, and if we want to add the parents class, then add roots. Now add root, we get the second root. Change the text property each according to your choice. This is the, if we press to plus sign, then it's collapse. This is the back color property, for color property. Press OK, and now run the project. These are the presentation of tree view. Most important property of tree view is checked. Checked box true. Now we get a checkbox on each tree nodes. We can check it. This is the cursor, enabled, false. Then we can't check the checkbox property at runtime. We can only see it. This is the for color property, font style property. These are some another property, that is tab index or tab key. Now close the project and save.